SharePoint Community sites are powerful business tools for associates to share ideas, discuss issues, and ask questions. Community sites have site member tools to categorize discussions, identify questions, and encourage participation. Here, we've created a new community site for product ideas and questions. Let's take a tour of site administration and setup to get the most out of this powerful communication tool. On the site's homepage, the Community Tools web part displays links for site owners to administer the community. Create categories helps members better understand topics and sort discussions via descriptive labels specific to your community. By default, there's already a general category, but it's better to create a few custom categories to guide the discussion topics. Click New Item and enter a category name and description. Optionally, enter a link to an image in the PNG or JPEG format that will display with the category on the Categories page. Click Save, and you're done. Here, I've created a couple of categories, and let's view the Categories page on an active community. There's the image I linked to in the category, and hovering over the title reveals the descriptions along with the summary of discussions and replies for each category. Clicking on the category shows just those discussions in the category. Next, I'll return to Community Tools, and I'll create some badges. Badges are a way for site owners to recognize the special contribution or role of certain members. The expert and professional badges are already there. I'll add Genius. Now for the fun part. Back home, I'll click Assign Badges to Members. Ruth has agreed to help me watch over the accuracy of information on the site. So I'll click the selection column for Ruth, and using the moderation ribbon, I'll give a badge and choose Genius. Now on the Members page, and in Discussions, Ruth has the Genius badge. Reputation Settings configures ways to rate discussions and sets incentives for members to participate. When enabling ratings, you can decide whether members can use a simple like or a ranking of stars. To encourage discussion, enabling an achievement point system displays a member's points in their membership profile. I can specify the number of points each discussion action is awarded automatically. Then, down below, I can establish achievement levels based on these points and set how achievement levels are displayed. In Community Settings, you can set more options for your site. One setting here is to enable reporting of offensive content. With this enabled, if members notice inappropriate or off-topic discussions, they can use the Options menu to report to moderator. Site owners can then use Review Reported Posts to review this feedback. Here, you can review all the reports with comments and also edit, delete, or dismiss reports for the discussion posts. So, as you've seen, Community Tools make setup and oversight of community sites straightforward in SharePoint.